Alright guys, so now let's get to name tuples. Okay, this is very similar to hashes. It is basically a key and a value within a tuple. Okay, so to do this, you come here and you say user1, okay, and you say colon. Alright, next thing, user2, okay, colon, user3. Okay, now to get access to a property, so like let's say a key, and say okay, I want to get this key and I want to get what's inside of this value. To do this, unlike how tuples is where they have an index, okay, with this you basically do it with the key itself. So you say like this, you come here and you say user1, and that's going to print out the value of user1. So let's come here, so you can see it went through. Alright guys, so you basically saw how to create the keys by doing it like this with the colon, but you can also pass in a string. So for example, I could come here and say like this, user4, okay, and put this in strings. So now it'll be like that, and say user4, let's say Charlie. Okay, save that. Now we come here, and to access it, you come in and you pass in the string of user4. Okay, so now when we come here, we say Crystal Playground, it'll say Charlie. Okay, so there's two ways of doing the tuples. You could do it like this, your name tuple, or you could do it like that with a string. Okay, now just to give you guys a reminder, a tuple is immutable. It cannot change. So once you set this, let's say user1 is Joe, then you can never come back later on and say friends, then pass in user1, and then try to reassign it. Okay, and then that's just not gonna work. So I'm gonna show you right now. If you go like this, user1, so you can see undefined local variable or method 1. Okay, so for this you actually have to put in the two little colons here like that. Okay, saying error undefined method, okay, for name tuple, string user2, string. You can't really do it. Okay, so we're trying to put it. Let me try another way. Right, I'm just showing you guys that it's not possible. Okay, so I'm showing it to you guys in every possible way. So I'm gonna put this out for a second. I'm going to try to run this. Okay, you see it says Joe, but whenever we try to run this and reassign it, it's giving us an error because it's immutable and you can't really do that. Okay, so yeah, man, that's name tuples. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So just remember, whenever you want a certain type of data that's not gonna change, then you want to use a tuple. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.